Alright guys, so first leave it in this thing. We're gonna go ahead and get this Phillips screwdriver out. Don't lose the screw, keep the screw. Put it right there. Now go ahead and pull this. You can pull it out of this spot right here very gently, and then it'll slide out like that. Got my new one here. Got this from Hyundai. I don't know if you can get them aftermarket, but I got mine from Hyundai. First, put it over here in this thing right here, and then you're gonna put this part in first. This hook part. Put that in. Let it go in, and then put this up like that. Actually, holding it like right here behind this this hook on this side makes it fit flush. And then you're gonna put your screw in. You don't want to force it. If the screw is going in crooked, then just back out. Be patient, because it's easy to mess up these threads. So let's go ahead and get our screw in. All right. Doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. Okay. And that's pretty much it, guys. You just hang it back up here. See? Easy peasy. And this isn't connected to this. Alright, thanks for watching.